All right, you are gonna love this. Goldheart and Sanrio have teamed up for Chinese New Year, and honestly, it's the cutest thing you'll see all day. We're talking pure, adorable gold.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Feng Shui, right? Well, not exactly. This collection is all about bringing in a totally different kind of good fortune, and it's all thanks to these unbelievably cute charms.
So, what is this new kind of good fortune? Let's get into what makes this so special.
I just love this quote because it hits the nail on the head. It's like a playful warning. You've got sparkle, you've got cuteness, and yeah, your wallet might be in a little bit of trouble. In the best way, of course.
It really all boils down to this one simple idea: good kawaii energy. The whole concept is that these pieces are just so incredibly adorable, so charming that they can't help but attract good vibes. It's the power of kawaii, that feeling that just makes you smile.
So what do we call this delicious-looking lineup? Well, get ready for it. It's the KoroKoroSweets Collection. And yep, it's just as sweet as it sounds.
And that name, KoroKoro, gives you a massive clue about the design. It's a Japanese word for something that's round, rolly, and just so cute you can't stand it. That pretty much sums up every single piece in this collection.
So, the whole idea was to take these fan-favorite Sanrio characters we all know and love and just completely reimagine them. They're like these tiny, precious desserts, all crafted from pure $9.99 gold.
So who made the cut for this golden snack crew? Let's meet the squad.
The pairings are just perfect. Of course, you have the icon herself, Hello Kitty, as a classic ice cream sandwich. Then there's the super sweet My Melody as a little Blueberry Macaron, and her rival, the mischievous Kuromi, as a strawberry mint. We've also got the cuddly Pompompurin as Honey Waffles with chocolate, and even the edgy Badtz-Maru looks amazing as a chocolate truffle.
And you can totally see that KoroKoro philosophy in action here. Just look at those soft, rounded shapes in those cute, toy-like proportions. I mean, they seriously look like tiny little golden desserts you'd find in a fancy bakery in Tokyo.
But hold on, it's not just about the character charms. The collection is actually way bigger than that, so there's really something for every kind of Sanrio fan out there.
The collection gives you a few different ways to get in on the action. If you're looking for more of a keepsake, the Sanrio-themed gold bars start at a pretty accessible $188.
And then, of course, you've got the signature charms and pendants. You know, the ones perfect for a bracelet or a necklace, and those start from $528.
And just to round it all out, they've also got collectible gold coins and even some matching earrings so you can complete the whole look.
Okay, but we all know that with a premium collection like this, the unboxing experience is half the fun. So, what's the deal with the packaging?
You are gonna love this. For the gold bars and coins, it's not just a box, it's a special cake box that you can actually assemble into its own 3D display stand. So the packaging itself becomes a super cute collectible. How cool is that?
All right, the most important question: where can you get your hands on all this cuteness? The collection is available right now at all Goldheart boutiques and, of course, on their online store.
If you want to see the entire KoroKoroSweets collection for yourself, and trust me, you do, make sure you check out the links in the description below.